welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you you have seen that my videos earlier, which are covered by me related the topic, the incident management. So which is related to ITSM module. So today I'm going to discuss about problem management. So actually, this is my instance. Let me check. Let me go to the home page, and here this is my instance and this is my home page. So today I'm going to discuss about the problem management. This is my problem management. Okay. So the problem management means already I told you, right? So if issue is repeatedly happening, then we can consider as a problem and we can fix through the problem management. So in the practically I will show you that. So as I told you that if issue is really repeatedly happening, it means so the user is facing one issue, and then we can create an incident. So yesterday we have created it earlier. So just I'm opening that incident list. So if you want to open any incident list, then just you can type it incident dot list, like if you type with capital, then it will open with new tab. Okay, so this is my incident list. So you can consider that this is the incident. Email server is down. So this David Miller is a caller. He is facing the issue. Okay, he has created the incident. So the assignment group, they will, for example, you can take it that ITSM assignment group. Okay, so here ITSM application development team, they will look on this issue. So they will, I mean, this team will fix the issue. But again, David Miller is after 3-4 days or 1 week or 10 days, after 10 days, again he is facing same issue. His colleagues also facing same issue. So the issue is multiple times happening for multiple users. Then this team is getting this team are getting like too many issues for the same issue. Then this team will consider that this is not an incident. Okay, this should be done through the problem. So now this team will just come this this team will create the problem. How this team will create the problem? Just come here and click on the right, and we have option that create a problem. Just click on that. That's it. The problem will be created. Now this is the problem. I hope you can understand how we can create the problem. So through the incident we can create the problem, or we can come here and through the navigator itself we can create the problem. Okay, so this is the problem. Just we can click on the create new, then we will be able to see this page. But anyway, if you create on the incident form, that whatever the incident issue is there, right? So that issue come under problem statement. If you created on the incident, if you created a problem with the incident, okay. I hope you can understand that. If you created any problem through the incident, then the incident information come will automatically, the by default the information should be will be available here. If you if you created one, like here, if you come here, if you create a problem here, then you need to give the short description and everything. So I think that is not good practice, but anyway we have options. So we can directly create a problem through the incident. So once you have created the problem through the incident, then automatically category, subcategory, and problem statement and description and everything by default it will be appear. Okay, so now the problem was created. This problem will be created by the L2 team. L2 team means support engineer, who is the ServiceNow support team is there, right? So they can create the problem. Once you have created the problem, just you can move into the assess stage. Sorry, just a second. Just we need to fill the mandatory fields. So problem administration, you can cancel that. So just we can assess can move into assess stage. So once it came into assess stage, so now the problem administration, like who is have who is having the problem manager, or who is having the problem resolving the capability, like they can, they will be able to see that what is the issue and what is exactly the problem and everything. They will check that problem statement and description. Who will check that? This member. They will check this information. Why this problem? Administrator they will check it because of they will like is this really this is a problem or incident? So everything he will check it. Once he will confirm that, I mean he will consider that okay, this is the problem, not an incident. So once he's confirmed that, and they just he will click on the confirm. Once he will confirm, then it will come into root cause analyst. Okay. So here they will start the why it is actually under the problem. So we have incident. So this is the incidents we have. So earlier I have showed you, right? So this is the incident. Just a second. Yeah. On this incident only we have created the problem, right? So that is the reason the problem has been created on this incident. So that is the reason it is showing in the related list. So we have I mean some incidents because of I mean so that is the reason we have problem created like that. Just we can say the information, that's it. And so here information like we need to analyze the information and just we need to provide the some information like the description is email server is down, right? So now you can consider that why email server is down. So you found some root cause analyst, I mean root cause information why it is not working the server. Then you found some information like uh, users are hitting use so many users are hitting the server. So that is the reason. So that is so that the server is down. The email server is down. So here just you can copy it, no problem. I mean this will be information. Workaround means where exactly why exactly like the issue is happening and cause notes. Exactly you can brief the information, in-depth information, the whatever you have analyzed, resolution information. Just you can provide the information like just a second. So here we can directly give the information how we can fix that. So just you can consider that like mm, uh, so just launching the databases. Sorry, launching the server capacity, something like that, which is the uh, related to data related to server. Just launching the server capacity, boosting something like that. You can put it no problem. Boosting the server capacity like that, you can keep that. Okay, this is the fixed nodes. Actually we have given information. Another information has it will be system information. Problem is opened by and confirmed by, and this information will be tracked uh, on the incident, sorry, on the problem. Who will I mean who will create the incident or who will the resolve, who will the solve the, sorry, who will create the problem and who will the solve the problem. And this information will be tracked by the system itself, not by any member. So just we have given the resolution information. So just resolution information fixed by, and just we can click on the fix. Now in the fixing rows. So here actually this information should be provided once the problem came into fixed in progress, but unfortunately in the last time in the root cause analysis itself I have given information, sorry for that. So here just boosting the server capacity, how you can fix that. This is implementation, I mean fix the issue whatever the have given the information here, right? So just we can find the solution and we can provide the information here, that's it. And here resolve, once we have made the fix the issue, then we can just click on the resolve. So once it is resolved, then automatically the incident and everything, it was on hold. Okay, so fixed apply, whatever we have given the solution that was fixed, I mean that was implemented by problem management. And now so here everything is closed, I mean closed notes, just we can give the proper information. So once we have given the closed information, then automatically the incident, sorry, problem will be closed. Sorry, I think you remember that. I mean, just you found that one thing. So once the problem is closed, then automatically the incident also it will come to the resolved state. Okay, I hope you got it that. Actually, the process in the real time that will be same as I told now, but a little bit different actually, because the real time scenario, I mean real time, the process will be different because by default the fields are there, but in real time that the fields are very different because the problem management it will be implemented as the company I mean the company whatever that they have given, right? So based on that, the problem management was implemented by the ServiceNow developers in the real organizations. So here this is only for practicing purpose. We have whatever the by default fields are there, just we are using that only. So whatever we have fields here by default, so that only we need to use it. But in the real time, that is the process little bit different, but same stages and everything what I exactly what I told, right? So same thing we can follow in real time also. Stages are same, but fields are different. Some fields, not all fields. Okay. So now I hope maximum we can get it that what I'm telling. And this is a problem management process. Then once you have fixed the issue, root cause analyst and everything, once you fix the issue, then incident also automatically it was closed. Okay, so problem also closed and incident also closed because of the issue is resolved, that's it. So now I'm going to tell you that problem properties. So this is the problem properties. So related to problem management, if you need something any changes if you want to do on problem management, so we have so many options here. Based on your changes, just you can modify this information. So attach copy attachment from the incident. For example, if while you're creating and I mean while you're creating a problem on the incident, so if it is incident has attachment that should be appear on problem, then you can check on yes, I mean check you can tick in this checkbox yes. Okay, and this is also same and everything every property is related to problem management. I mean the problem management behavior based on these properties. Once you modify something, that will reflect on the problem management. So just remember. Okay, so everything, so who can reanalyze the cancelled problem, or who can create a problem task on the closed problem, closed problem and everything, we have multiple options are there. So based on clicking, based on the selection on this, then it will be applied into problem management. So in the real time scenarios, like it will be different actually. So based on them, then you need to go through the properties and the whatever favor you can do, that just based on them you can modify it and you can do your work through the problem management. So that only I can tell you. And in the problem management, I will tell you the this information here. We will be able to see these options, right? So we can call it that UI buttons. Okay, UI actions also we can call it. So the number means, already I told you that when I was telling about incident, and the number means, so this is auto populated number, so we can say that unique ID number. Okay, so first reported by means already, this incident has been created by, like this problem is has been created by this incident, so that is the reason. So we can take it this number by default, it will take, no problem, because first reported by means this issue is happening first, this issue is happening through the incident. This is related informed by the this number, right? Incident, right? So that is the reason it was taken by this number. And even we have created the problem on the incident, right? So that will be appeared directly here. And the category, subcategory, it means what exactly your issue, related to what exactly you're facing. So based on this you can select it. And service offering and configuration item, so this is related to your organization things, just you can select for example SAP payroll, you can select it. So just a second. For example, the computer, just you can give the whatever this information is there, because it will be completely configured based on the your service offer or vendor, something we have multiple options in real time. So we based on the we can configure it. And for supporting team, just actually in the real time what will be happening exactly, based on the configuration item, the assignment group will be populated. Okay, so no need to assign the manually, directly once we have created the problem and based on this configuration item, then assignment group will be populated and they will fix the issue. And once this group will be fix the issue, then automatically notification will come to this user, who has created this incident, right? So that caller will get the notification once the problem is fixed. I hope you can this these things actually in coming sessions in detail, like we can say that configuration item, how we can create it, how we can rotate that, and everything I will tell you in detail in coming days, don't worry. So here, so notes already I told you, right? Work notes, so we just this will be track everything what we are doing on the this incident or whatever that. Analyzing information. So analyzing information means just once we have gone through the issue, then why exactly the issue is happening, and how we can fix that, and just we will come to know the conclusion, right? So then we can provide the information that what exactly facing the issue, and where exactly is issue facing. And so just some reasons are there, right, to to find the issue, so that we can provide the information here. So this is the resolution information, means how we can fix the issue, what is the solution we can provide here. Another information, this information will be everything, it will be captured by the system only. This is the system field, we can say that. Okay, so closed notes. So what closed notes means, just whatever provided the information, just after that the expected working expected output is working as expected or not, just properly we can check it and everything is fine, then we can close the we can give the information, we can give the comments like uh, problem is solved, something like we can give the comments. Once we have if you come here, incident means like through the incident only this problem created, right? So that incident will be appear here, and this is information that related to this incident. And affecting CAs. So affecting CAs already told you, right? CAs means configuration items, so that will be different. So if this problem is related to this CAs, service, then it will the affected CIs will be appear here. Anyway, it is not related to this part, so that is the reason it is not appearing here. So problem tasks. So problem tasks means, so if it is problem, already I told you, right, the in the problem properties we have, right? I mean, already I have showed you that. Just a second. These are the problem properties. If you click on that, can create a problem task on the closed platform, and we have multiple options are there, right? So we have one thing that can we create a problem task on the problem. So if you select that, then automatically the problem task will be created. So everything related to problem, related to task, I mean, related to problem, whatever the task has been created to related to problem, then it will be appear here. So change requests. So any change request related to this problem, then definitely it will be appear here. Change means, so in the your system, so not a system like you can consider that Outlook, because this problem is related to Outlook only, right? So email server is down. It means, so Outlook, it is related to completely Outlook, right? So why Outlook is not working? So we can find some information, and we will come to know that recently some changes has been happened in my Outlook. So that was updated. So that is the reason. So it is email server is down, something like that. You can say that. So the changes has been which one? Changes has been done through the which one? Change request. Change request has been created by the change management, and change management. So through the change management, so Outlook, managing the Outlook, they will update the software. So that is the reason. So email server is down, like that. Just you can consider that. So through the which change request, this email server is, no, sorry, Outlook has been updated. So then you can consider that change request should be there, because of changes are done in your system, I mean in your Outlook. So that is the reason you are facing the issue, that change request should be appear here. So through this change request, this Outlook is not working, so email server is no. You can consider like that. So related should be there, right? So that is the reason change request also should be available here if it's related. But as of now, it is not related. So that is the reason we don't have. I mean, we won't be able to see that. I hope you got it now. So the outages, I think this is not required anymore as of now. So attached knowledge. So to complete, we have fixed, right, this problem. So we can create a knowledge article here, and if anybody face same issue for future purpose, if any user face any issue with same issue, then we can give the knowledge articles as a reference for future purpose. So then user will come here and they will open the incident article and they can fix their self itself. Okay. So this is the problem management and problem management properties. See, I hope I already told you everything. It will capture under work notes. This is the work notes, right? So work notes, everything it will capture here. So we can say this is a related links. This is the related list. Okay, this is the related links. This is the, we can say that, UI buttons. I will tell you in the future how we can create this and how it will be working. So this is the sections. Okay, multiple sections are there. If you don't create I mean, if the sections are not there, then form will be where it will be length, right? So this is the form. So the sections are there. So that is the reason it is very easy to get the information. The form also very less and the information is more. So we can consider like that. So I hope we got it that what I'm exactly telling. So okay guys, I hope you got it that what exactly you are looking. So by tomorrow I'm going to explain about the change management. We have change management three types, right? One is normal change and standard change and emergency change. So everything I will cover in coming session for the change management. Thank you.